Okay, let's start. Today we are going to talk about subtracting fractions using models. Okay, a rover needs to travel 5/8 miles to reach its destination. It had already traveled 3/8 miles. How much further does the rover need to travel? Okay, let's see. To know how much further does the rover need to travel, so you have to subtract both fractions. So we're going to subtract 5/8 and 3/8. Let's write it here. 5/8 minus 3/8. Okay, so first of all, as we started before in addition, you have to put the same denominator and then subtract the numerators as usual. So 5 minus 3, we all know that 5 minus 3 equals 4. So our answer will be 2/8. So our answer 2/8 here. Okay, write this. You have 1 minute to complete it, and then let's move to the next page. Okay, let's move to the next page. Okay, let's read it first. Sam ordered a small pizza, which was cut into 6 equal slices. He ate 2/6 of the pizza and put the rest away for later. How much of the pizza did he put away for later? Okay, so we have here this one, 2/6. So he ate 2/6. So the total number of slices will be 6 here because 6 in the denominator. So how many slices are in the whole? 6. And how many slices did Sam eat? 2. Now we're gonna subtract 1 minus 2/6. How can we subtract 1 minus 2/6? Let's see. 1 minus 2/6. First of all, if you want to subtract 1 minus anything, so you have to replace the 1 with any number over itself. According to the denominator that we have here, we have the denominator here is 6, right? So you have to replace the 1 with 6/6. So you have to put the 1, 6/6 because the denominator is 6. And then subtract it 2/6 as the same here. It's very simple to subtract it now. Firstly, you have to put the denominator as we started before, and then 6 minus 2 equals 4. So the answer will be 4/6. That's our answer. Okay, write this, and then let's move to the next page. Okay, guys, let's move to the next page. And I will ask you about this page, so prepare yourself. Okay, I need someone to read this with me. Yazan.
Okay, Lisa needs 4/5 pound of shrimp to make shrimp salad. She has 1/5 pound of shrimp. How much more shrimp does Lisa need to make the salad?
Okay, so we have here 4/5 and 1/5. Now we're gonna subtract. Can you subtract this with me, Yazan? Okay, let's rewrite it. 4/5 minus 1/5. Yes,
The 5 is the same,
yes.
and 4 minus 1 equals 3.
So it will be 3/5. Excellent. So the answer here is 3/5. Thank you, Yazan. Okay, what about Ali Nabil al-Misri?
Yes.
Okay, the next one, number 2.
We will put 3/6.
3/6 minus 2/6. Yes.
3 minus 2 equal 1, and we will put 1/6.
Excellent. Thank you so much, Ali Nabil al-Misri. Great. Okay, what about Hamad Khalid?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Hamad, next one.
Okay. You mean number 3?
Yes.
Okay. 8 minus 8. We need to subtract the numerator that's in the
Okay.
top.
Yes.
8 minus 3 equals 5.
Yes.
And about the denominator, we don't need to subtract them, so we'll let them
So
change
it
the
will
same.
be 5/10. Thank you so much, Hamad. Great job, man. Okay, the next one, Rakan Ala.
Yes.
Yes, Rakan. The next one, number 4.
Yes, 5 minus 2 equal 3, and 3/8.
Okay, let's rewrite it here. It will be 5 minus 2 equals 8. So let's write 8 here over, sorry, it will be here 3 and here 8. Thank you so much, Rakan. Great job, man. Okay, the next one, Yasser. Yasser
7
Zayer.
minus 2 7 minus 2 is 5,
Yes.
and down, if the same number, they don't change.
Okay, so 7/12 minus 2/12 equals 5/12. Thank you, Yasser. Okay. What about Hassan Muayyid?
Hi.
Hi, Hassan, how are you?
Good.
Can you help with the next one? 3/4 minus 2/4, number 6.
3/4 minus 2 over.
Yes.
It will be 1/4.
Excellent. 1/4. Why, Hassan? Why 1/4?
Because 2 minus 3 equal 1.
3 minus 2. You have to start with the big number, right?
Yeah.
So 3 minus 2 equals 1. And 4, put it at the same. Okay, thank you so much, Hassan. Okay. What about the shawarma of math, Fahd? Okay, Fahd, the next one. 2 over 3 minus 1 over 3. Let's rewrite to make it clear. 2 over 3
Okay.
minus 1 over 3 equals what?
The denominator change
Okay, so you have to put the
same
denominator as the
and
same.
up 2 minus 1.
So it will be 1 over 3.
2 minus 1 equal 1.
Excellent. So the
Teacher,
answer will
why
be,
it's easy?
it's so easy, yeah.
Why?
But I will give you
It's only
something.
9.
I will give you something tricky. So wait for it. Okay? The ninja of math, Hussein Kamal.
Yes, teacher.
Okay,
I
Hussein,
want
the
to ask
next
you.
one.
First, I want to ask a question. Second, I want to answer.
Yes.
I did this all by myself.
Great. You are great because you are so smart, my dear.
I did it with supersonic speed.
Okay, number 8. Can you help with number 8?
Okay. 7 minus 5 equals 2 over 8 or 1 over 4.
2 over 8. Okay, how can we get 1 over 4, man?
Divide.
Divide by what?
Well, it's actually going to be 1 over 4.
Okay, how? I know it will be 1 over 4, but tell me how you get it.
Don't have another idea about that.
Okay, let's see. القرار. What do you think about it?
I think
What we're gonna divide it here up and down?
2 divide 2 1 and 8 divide 2 4.
Excellent. So we're gonna divide by 2 in both numbers. So 2 divided by 2 equals 1 and 8 divided by 2 equals 4. So the answer will be 1 over 4. Thank you so much, Karar. Great job, my dear. Okay, I need someone to help me with this. Let's say the Lord of Math, Faisal. Faisal, are you still with me?
Yes.
Okay, Faisal. Tell me, Faisal, if I tell you I want to subtract 1 minus 3 over 8, how can we solve this?
If we're going to subtract 1 minus 3 over 8, we have to make the 1 into a number on top of a number.
Excellent.
So
So you
we're
have to change or replace the 1 with fraction, right, man?
Yes.
So how
It's
can we
gonna
do
be-
that?
We check the denominator. The denominator
Let's check the
is
denominator
8.
here is 8. So
It's going to be 8 over 8.
you are great. You are super genius, Faisal. So
8 over 8
minus
minus 3 over 8.
3 over 8. So it will
The
be
denominator is the same. 8 minus 3 equals 5. 5 over 8.
Thank you so much, my lord. Okay. What about Faisal Hamoud?
Teacher, which question is it?
I will tell you. What about this? 1 minus 4 over 7. How can we solve it?
I forgot.
Come on.
I have bad memory.
Faisal Al-Omari just solve the same thing in the previous example, the same example. Okay, let's see the shawarma of math.
Yes, teacher, we have two options. How do we do it? The
Okay.
first options, like Faisal Al-Umari do. The one be 7/7.
Okay,
Because
so it will be 7/7. Yes,
yeah, and the
because we have
7
here
and the
the denominator
denominator
is
don't
7,
change.
so you have to start with 7. Yes.
Yes, the denominator don't change, and 7 minus 4 equals 3.